Wind energy is a fantastic source of clean power. It harnesses the natural force of the wind to generate electricity without emitting harmful pollutants. This makes it an essential part of our efforts to create a sustainable future. It helps us fight climate change and reduce pollution. By relying on wind energy, we can decrease our dependence on fossil fuels, which are a major contributor to global warming and environmental degradation. But we can make wind energy even better with artificial intelligence. AI can optimize the performance of wind turbines by analyzing vast amounts of data and making real-time adjustments. AI is like a super smart helper for wind turbines, making them work much more efficiently. It can predict maintenance needs, reduce downtime, and even improve the design of future turbines. AI is changing many industries from healthcare to finance, and now it's making a significant impact on renewable energy. And now it's revolutionizing wind energy. By integrating AI, we can monitor wind patterns more accurately and adjust turbine settings to maximize energy output. By using smart algorithms, AI can help us capture more wind power. This means we can generate more electricity from the same amount of wind, making our energy systems more efficient and reliable, and make this renewable energy source even more powerful. With AI, the future of wind energy looks brighter than ever, promising cleaner air and a healthier planet for generations to come.
So, what exactly is an AI wind turbine optimizer? It's a fascinating piece of technology that combines the power of artificial intelligence with renewable energy. Imagine a computer program that can analyze tons of data about the wind, the turbine's condition, and even the electricity grid. This isn't just any data. It includes real-time weather patterns, historical performance metrics, and predictive analytics. This program uses this data to make the turbine work as efficiently as possible. It can predict when the wind will be strongest and adjust the turbine's blades to capture the maximum amount of energy. It's like having a super smart engineer inside the turbine, constantly making small adjustments to capture the most wind energy. This virtual engineer works tirelessly, 24/7, ensuring that the turbine operates at peak performance. This means we get more clean electricity from the same wind. By optimizing the performance of each turbine, we can significantly increase the overall efficiency of wind farms, making renewable energy more viable and sustainable for the future.
The benefits of using AI in wind energy